back and happy Monday.
I'm Madison.
And I'm Devani.
And we're your student news anchors at MAST on Monday mornings. All students, please remember to sign in when we meet each week. We spin the wheel for prizes like MAST swag, gift cards, or purple pesos, school money that you can use at the school store. Remember to pick up your prizes right after the broadcasting in PTY's office or you will forfeit your winnings. Drone Cadets are back. The MAST drone program is an exciting, hands-on program where students explore drone technology, flight mechanics, and real-world applications. If you are interested in joining, it will begin this Friday, March 5th at 1:50 p.m. in room 223.
Starting today, our scholars will participate in the Mozilla Foundation Workplace Challenge, a paid work-based learning experience supported by Expanded Ed. Over the next 7 weeks, students will dive into real-world projects exploring how young people use artificial intelligence and how their voices can help shape the future of technology and education. We are beyond proud of our future-ready scholars for leading the way and making an impact. Scholars invited to take part in this experience must report to room 106 after school on Monday for the first day of the program.
Reminder to check our Instagram to know when clubs are in session this week. Lunch and Learns will be every Tuesday and Wednesday to prepare for June Regents and get help with current classwork. Let's go, Purple People!
All students who are programmed for tutoring or PM school courses must attend. Remember, these courses are required because you need additional credits or tutoring.
Get ready! Voting for your future student government council is coming up, so make sure to stay tuned and vote me for Vice President.
11th grade Future Ready Software Scholars, your college CS 100 class begins this Saturday, March 6th with Mr. Ferguson in 214. Remember, you earn college credits, but it will be here at MAST.
Driver's education is coming to MAST. Currently, it is open to juniors who are rising seniors next year. You must complete the survey if you would like to participate. Go to bit.ly/MASTDriversEd2026.
SAT prep for math is this week, Thursday, March 5th in room 205 with Mr. Singh, and SAT prep for ELA will be in room 208 with Mr. Mazzoli.
There is Saturday school, March 7th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and SAT prep. Class of 2026! College application workshop is this Friday at 2 p.m. in room 219.
Make sure to check your Google Classroom for all announcements, and if you have any questions or concerns, please email Ms. Brown at rmiddleton@mathhighschool.org.
The Race to Give Back is now gearing up for the second edition. We will take donations like rice, pasta, cereal, canned goods, granola bars, and more. The new due date for round 2 is March 13th.